So today I'm going to show us some good, interesting aspects of Microsoft Excel. So today we are going to cover conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel, and to be more specific, I'm going to cover highlighting rules in Microsoft Excel. So in the following videos, or the following playlists in conditional formatting, I'll be uncovering all the parts of conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. Subscribe to our channel so that you can get instant updates as they come, as we upload our videos. So let's consider what is conditional formatting. So conditional formatting, this refers to formatting your cells based on a particular criteria. So when your cell meets a particular criteria, either the cell or the cell value meets a particular criteria, it is to be formatted. So that's why it is conditional. Conditional by meaning that there is a criteria that specifically differentiates it from others. So in this case, for example, you're working in a customer service company. So a customer service company, there is a target maybe that you have to attain on a day or a month. So for you to easily differentiate between people who are doing well and people also who want some kind of training or initiatives that can be able to improve their performance, so you require to make use of conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. So it really requires you to have a target, that criteria that differentiates one instance from another. So in this case, we are considering an example of students. So students' performance, that is. So in this case, I have about 10 to 11 students. Yeah, so I have 10 students here with me and their performance as given. So how is this helpful? So in terms of using conditional formatting, we can be able to differentiate the students who are performing are below a particular value, which is target or an average, or people who are the students who are performing above average, or student with a specific value of performance in a particular exam or a particular uh, test. That is. So let's see how conditional formatting helps us do this. So you come to your data. For example, here you highlight your data. You can highlight the entire data, or specifically you can highlight the only column that is containing data range that contains values that you want to check. Then go to home in Microsoft Excel, go to conditional formatting, and then highlight cell rules. So you just go to greater than. So for example, you want to know students who are performing above average. So you click greater than, and now you change your value to 50. Maybe your average is 50 or your average is 60, whichever value you can be able to see the performance at its goes. So this one can also be used in grading criteria. Maybe you are evaluating a particular maybe application or particular performance of for a project, or particular performance of employees, or particular performance of anything that you have. So you can easily make use of this in real world. So you can change and play around with values of your average. So for example, in this case, if it is 50, you click OK. You can change here the colors for the text and the colors for the cell color and the text color here. So you have here a list. You can also make use of the custom for you to be able to do that. So you can also change to green, yeah, like that if you want, or you can still change this to yellow like that, or you can change to red, light red like that. And then you just click OK. Then there you go. So you've highlighted using the conditional formatting to be able to identify which students are above 50. So for you to clear that, I'll show you here. Just you highlight like this, and then you go to conditional formatting, you clear rules, and then you clear the selected like that. There you go. So maybe you want to know students are performing below average. So come to conditional formatting, you go to less than, highlight cell rules, less than. Then you give your value less than 50. That is the below average. So you see the others that were greater than 50 are highlighted, and those that are less than 50 are also that. Yeah, so it is that important that we know. So you can just click OK, and there you go. Yeah, so that's how the highlighting in Microsoft Excel, it can be able to help you under conditional formatting for you to be able to realize any difference, any potential difference in terms of students, employees, department, per department, and everything that you want to do. Be it in terms of sales, you can be able to know over time.